So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 27 just isn't installing. So no matter what you're doing on your iPhone, no matter what it is, iOS 27 just is not installing on this type of device. Now, number one of the first things I would recommend kind of thinking about is going through and just making sure you have enough storage saved onto your device. So go through, make sure you have enough storage saved onto your device before actually going through and upgrading. So go inside of your iPhone settings right over here. Go inside of your general settings portion. So scroll down to general, click on iPhone storage right over here, and just make sure you have enough storage saved onto your iPhone. This in and of itself is going to be one of the very first things I'd recommend thinking about, and that should probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is double checking your Wi-Fi and internet connection. So go through, double check Wi-Fi, double check internet, and just make sure that there's no problems there either, because that in and of itself can probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to go through and pretty much just make sure that your phone is basically giving you pretty decent battery life. So go through and just make sure that your phone is, increasing in battery life where it's plugged in, because that can also end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to kind of fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.